Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 956 in a row. We're going to cover what's going on with Bitcoin today and then get into some exciting news. So Bitcoin price currently $47,642, down about 1% today, up about 4.5% over the past week, up about 4% on the past month, so seems to be moving sideways there, and up 336% on the past year. My current balance is $4,290 worth of Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see if there's any interesting news. Bitcoin and El Salvador doing something there. Analysts predict next stop is 85K for Bitcoin. I like that. Namecheap starts accepting Bitcoin. Bitcoin sidechain approved by German regulator. Bitcoin pass security offering in Germany. And Bitcoin sees quite healthy consolidation. So just the standard news today, nothing crazy. Bitcoin owned, we did reach a huge milestone over 0.09 Bitcoin. So we got 0.09004684. You guys can see under activity, I'm purchasing $1 each day. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan the fingerprint. It's gonna show my order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we purchased $1 Bitcoin, tap done there. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Bitcoin owned 0.09006721. So I guess the next big milestone is going to be 0.1 Bitcoin. That'll be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,288. 4288 divided by 956 days equals 4.48x on our investment. So doing very well there. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.48. That's the power of dollar cost averaging. Just got to keep buying each day. You're going to get the average over a long period of time. Let's go to a tweet that I posted yesterday. So I talked about this token when it first came out, Legacy. I said I bought 1 million Legacy when it first came out. I probably spent like $200 or something like that. I did the 1-year staking option. And on that, they basically pay you almost 100% APY in the USDL token. So now the Legacy that I own is worth around $16,000 or something like that, and they sent me $17,000 reward. So pretty crazy stuff. Definitely check out these videos when I post them on my channel. You know, you could search Legacy if you want to find these ones, but I was posting about this 7 months ago. I did the review 8 months ago. I posted my top altcoins, and this was in the video, so it can pay off to watch some of those for sure. I try to keep my videos short. These ones are only 6 minutes. So I don't know. That's the exciting news for today. Also, this tweet is getting a crazy amount of engagement. So I think the Legacy community kind of goes hard. Also, Shantoshi, sure, send me one of those NFTs. This guy asked if you get paid yearly or monthly. This one was a 1-year stake. But I think when they launch their actual chain, you'll be paid much more frequently for staking. That'll do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.